How to view a comparison. First, find and click the Compare button between the two revisions you want to review. You're now seeing an overlay of both revisions where everything new that's been added to the more recent revision is in blue, and everything that used to exist in the older revision but has been removed in the newer revision is in red. To find the differences, spot some blue or red on the screen. Zoom into that location, and then toggle back and forth between the old and the new version. You can toggle either by using the toggle button at the top right of the screen, or the T key on your keyboard. As you go along, Shape2 will mark whether you're looking at the older or newer version at the top center of the screen. To get back to the overlay, simply click the Overlay button at the top right of the screen, or tap the O key on your keyboard. Now repeat until you've found all the changes. Happy hunting!